That was a good one, Beck. Lip gloss.
Why do you need ballet slippers?
Because I signed up for ballet.
Whoa, isn't that kind of girly?
Yep, just one big room full of girls. And me. You guys picking up what I'm putting down?
I am.
Yeah, pretty smooth.
I don't understand. A lot of girls who dance all in one room with him.
Oh! Would you mind if maybe I signed up too?
Nah, go for it. How about you, man?
Can't. Me and Jade already signed up for salsa dancing.
I can't eat salsa.
Why? Because it hurts your stomach and gives you nightmares?
No.
Yes.
Maybe.
Ready? Drive-by acting exercise. You're all angry Englishmen. Go!
I insist you tell me who sat on my crumpet.
My grandmummy went to the loo while I snogged the Prime Minister.
This flock of whippoorwills is bothering my trousers.
Good heavens! There's a dead cockroach in my brassiere!
Blimey!
Oh, I told you not to put plum sauce on me banger.
All right. Very good. Quiet down. Now that we're all loosey and no goosey, the time has come for our newest student to tackle the bird scene. Tori, the stage is yours, though you can't take it home.
Can I ask you a quick question before I start? So...
Just do your best. Action!
Okay! It was 1934 when my husband left me. Alone. Living on the prairie was a dreary existence. No telephone, no radio. Only a large, majestic bird with whom I shared my feelings. One day when I was feeling low, I said to him, "Oh, bird, you can fly. You can soar miles from this lonely place, yet you stay. Why?" And apparently, my question rang true, for that afternoon, the bird left, and so went my spirit. How was that?
What do you mean?
Did I do the scene right?
Oh, no, not at all.
Okay, then what did I do wrong?
You'll have to perform the scene again tomorrow and get it right.